process of teaching and learning is at the heart of any educational institute. Uh, for a long time, this process has been dominated by the physical, not only in the sense of being present in the classroom physically, but also there are files, there are attendance lists, there are assignments to be printed, and so on. Since the 90s, things have started shifting. As soon as the internet was more available and accessible, at least the Western universities started shifting to uh, online ways of teaching and learning. India was slightly slower to catch up. Uh, Perhaps in no small manner, due to the pandemic, a lot of Indian institutes have had to shift, whether willingly or unwillingly, to a blended or many times purely online mode of teaching and learning. Now, when we think about these two, online versus the offline, many times they are seen as antagonistic to each other. If we look deeper, then perhaps there are strengths and weaknesses, as with any other comparison of both these ways of teaching and learning. There are a couple of distinct advantages to a purely physical mode of learning architecture. One is, of course, the idea of experiencing spaces. Architecture is about essentially experiencing, and that is something that is difficult to replace in an online media. Second, the idea of doing something by hands, constructing a wall, building a small structure, etc., etc. So all these activities, they do get hampered. But if we somehow try to manage or overcome these via online tools, then online tools have a set of advantages which are unique to that platform. Firstly, in online education, everybody gets a front seat. So regardless of where you are sitting, there's no sense of row, there's no sense of back of the classroom. So everybody gets a front seat, everybody gets equal access to the instructor, to the teacher. Everybody can be an equal participant in a discussion. That is a main advantage. Second, in online education, you don't have any boundaries of a city or a state or a country also. So for example, at BNCA, we have had two studios, one with University of Utah, one with Jefferson University, which is currently underway. Both of these are happening, both the students, both the state of set of students are in their respective universities, respective colleges. Third advantage, online education gives an opportunity to the student, to the learner, to refer back again and again to the content that may have been slightly obscure to begin with. And that's an advantage which physical classrooms can't really match with. Fourth, online education also lets us experiment, innovate with various ways of teaching and learning, which also perhaps is challenging in a physical setup. Now, having said that, we do look at or we do understand that both of these modes, online versus the physical, have their own strengths. And the way at BNCA we see the future of architectural education is through a blended mode. So our driving concept or idea would be to blend both of these ways of learning together in order to give a more holistic and robust learning experience to the students who are part of our BNCA family. In order to facilitate online learning and education, or e-learning as we call it, BNCA has a robust LMS system, which is a learning management system. What this system does, it acts as a backbone of the teaching learning process, helping both teachers and students, the main stakeholders in this process, through various ways. For the teacher, it allows her to organize the content, organize groups, organize activities, give contents to students, record things, keep a track of how they are progressing, give timely and continuous feedback to students. So all this is from the teacher side. From the student side, having a continuous access through chats or through forums with the teacher, ability to form groups among students themselves, ability to refer back to the content which was already there, and being in touch with the entire course simultaneously are some of the advantages that the students get. We have a 24 by 7 LMS which is accessible to any student at any time of the day, any day of the month, any day of the year. As well as we also have a mobile app. So you're not even restricted to having access to a computer, a desktop, or a laptop, but even your mobile can become a conduit to your teaching and learning.